everyone, this is Heather Smith from Storyville Photography, and today I'm going to show you how to import our brushes into Photoshop. Now when you receive a purchase from us, you will get an email with downloadable links, and once you download them to your computer, you will realize that they are zip files. Now they are super easy to open, and you must open them in order for them to load into Photoshop. All you have to do is double click. If you are on a PC and that doesn't happen for whatever reason, just try and right click and hit the option extract all, and that should do the trick. Now once you do that, you will get this little blue folder filled with ABR files, and that is what you want because those are cute little brushes. So moving on, make sure that you have the brush tool selected and go right up next to it to this little gear. And you want to hit import brushes, and from there you are going to just type in the brush that you want, and it helps if you know if it's saved into your desktop downloads, whatever folder that you have the brushes in. Make sure that you have that area selected. So I know mine is on my desktop, and I'm going to scroll down. Yours is going to look a little bit different because I store all of mine into my creating folders. And there I am, and then I'm going to just select the floating particle brush and hit open, and there we are. It has made its way over to my brush panel. Then all you need to do to open it up is just click the downward arrow, and there's your brush. I get asked a lot how I can show the shape of my brush on here. As you can see, there's a little picture of all of them. It's just how your settings are with Photoshop. To get that, all you have to do is hit this gear and make sure that the brush tip is selected, and that is how you can view the brush from your panel there. Anyway, you can find these brushes at www.storyvillephotography.com. Thanks guys, have a great day, bye!